Boiling is a moist heat submersion cooking method, where food is fully submerged in a liquid and cooked at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which at sea level is the boiling point. Liquid at a full or rolling boil like this will continually move the food around. A gentle boil is less turbulent and more appropriate for delicate items such as handmade ravioli. If cooked at a rolling boil, they would likely break apart. Boiling is most suitable for cooking dry, starchy ingredients such as pasta and sometimes rice and grains. Here, you don't have to worry about moisture loss as you do with proteins. In these cases, you are essentially rehydrating the food. The rapidly boiling liquid is needed to keep the ingredients moving so they don't stick together. Boiling is also used for blanching many vegetables. Also, many dishes are first brought to a boil before being turned down to a simmer. This simply brings them to the proper simmering temperature a bit quicker. Boiling also kills bacteria, which is why food safety standards dictate that foods be brought to the boiling point when reheating. In most of these cases, however, foods are boiled for only a brief amount of time. Aside from cooking pasta or grains, prolonged boiling is almost never recommended as it can damage the texture and flavor of the ingredients. In summary, the main difference between these three moist heat submersion techniques is essentially temperature and movement of the liquid. Now that you know the effects that these have on food, you will have a better understanding of when to apply each method.